Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google two-factor authentication on Android. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Google two-factor authentication on your Android device, start by unlocking your phone. Open the Google app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Security tab at the top of the page. Scroll down until you find the Signing in to Google section. Tap on Two-Step Verification. You may be prompted to sign in again for security purposes. Once signed in, tap on the Get Started button. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the setup process. Choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can opt to receive codes via SMS or a phone call. After selecting your preferred method, enter the phone number you want to use. Tap Next to receive a test code. Enter the code you received and tap Next again. Now you will see the option to enable two-factor authentication. Tap on the Turn On button to activate it. You should see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is enabled. You can also set up backup options, such as Google prompts or backup codes. Consider enabling these options for added security. Once you've completed the setup, your account is protected with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your recovery options updated for account safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.